The May box has landed. Space and Beyond box is back with a box that is out of this world. This quarter's theme is the Milky Way galaxy. This box features 7 high-quality items, all exclusive products created by the team behind Astronomy, which are only available in this collection. The first item is Space Particles Milky Way Galaxy Edition, with articles covering how planets get their water, the effect of exploding stars on Earth, observing deep sky gems in Cygnus, and more. You'll also learn about the products in the box and get access to an exclusive discount at our online store, myscienceshop.com. Then we have a Milky Way structure diagram. This highly detailed diagram features a map of the Milky Way's barred spiral structure on the front and a summary on the back. The next item is something exclusively from Astronomy magazine, the Milky Way Inside and Out special issue. This 108-page special issue explores how our galaxy was formed, what's at the heart of the Milky Way, what makes stars explode, and so much more. Then we have something really fun, a collectible Greetings from the Milky Way keychain featuring a stunning image of our home galaxy. Up next, there's another fun add-on, a Milky Way Magnet. This 2.5-inch magnet features the iconic "You Are Here" tagline and graphic. Here's something many have been asking for, another set of flashcards. This unique set of flashcards features vibrant images on 4x6-inch cards with amazing facts and details about 30 locations or features of our Milky Way galaxy. You'll find things such as the Large Magellanic Cloud, Crab Nebula, Barnard's E, and more. And finally, we have another highly anticipated globe from Astronomy magazine. Explore the night sky of our galaxy with this 6-inch globe featuring 61 constellations. Plus, each globe comes with an acrylic base with a built-in magnifier and a bonus informational guide to help you explore. This quarterly astronomy and space-themed subscription box includes 6 to 8 high-quality items selected by the team at Astronomy magazine with feedback from our SBB community. Each box is $49.95 and has a value of over $80. Subscribe or give a gift today. Plus, for a limited time, get free shipping and a bonus gift, an exclusive Campo del Cielo meteorite from Astronomy magazine. Each one-of-a-kind meteorite is enclosed in a protective case with a display stand and a certificate of authenticity. We're very excited about the Milky Way box and would love to hear what you think of the newest collection or any of our past boxes. Visit us on Facebook or Instagram and tag us as @SpaceandBeyondBox or #BeyondTheBox. The Milky Way collection is only available for a limited time. Visit us at spaceandbeyondbox.com to subscribe. Plus, subscribe today and get free shipping and a bonus gift.